The equation of a curve is y equals this. Show that the curve has a stationary point where x is 2. Determine whether the stationary value where x is 2 is a maximum or a minimum. So I've paraphrased the question here then. So let's have a look at it. So dy dx then, let's have a look. Differentiate, power rule, 3 comes down to be with the 2 to make 6 to the 1 less than 3, which is 2, minus. The 2 comes down to be with the 9 to make 18x to the 1 less, which is just power 1, plus x differentiates to 1, and there's 12 lots of 1, which is 12. Equals 0 then, stationary point, when, divide by 6 all the way through, and we see that. So I've just divided by 6 all the way through the equation here. And now we can factorize. It's got to be 2 1s. It has to be a minus and a minus. So that tells us that x equals 1 or 2. Okay, so it has a stationary point. So x equals 2 then is a stationary point. And really what we could have done there is made life a bit easier, because we could have just plugged in 2 into dy dx, couldn't we, and shown it was 0. So that's what we could have done, and would have been slightly easier in hindsight, wouldn't it? Part 2. Determine whether the stationary point value where x equals 2 is a max or min. So let's get the second derivative now. So 2 comes down, power rule, 12x to the 1 less, which is power 1, minus, x goes to 1 and there's minus 18 lots of 1, and the constant goes to 0. So that's equal to that, which equals, when x is 2 then, 12 times 2 minus 18. 24 minus 18 is 6 when x equals 2. Since d2y dx squared is positive, there is a minimum. At x equals 2. So it's positive, there's a minimum when x equals 2.